Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo code deals for DraftKings. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be opening up my web browser, and in particular I'm going to go to Google inside that browser, and in the search bar I'm going to type in DraftKings promo code deals. Now I'm going to hit search it once I've done that, and then you'll get all these different promo code deals from third-party sites. So we got here sportsbettingdime.com, so we can check out that for promo code deals if we want, or covers.com. We've even got forbes.com, so DraftKings promo code 250 in bonus bets plus 1 month off. So we can check out any one of these sites. I might do the USA Today one here for demonstration, so I'm going to click into that and try and activate a promo code deal inside of USA Today. So now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, DraftKings promo code deals, no code needed for this sign up bonus. So if we keep scrolling down, you can check out more of these deals. So I might check out another site here. So what else we got? So we got sports betting dime. So I'm going to click into this site here. I'm going to scroll down. DraftKings promo code for August. So what these sites do, weekly or monthly, they change their promo code deals. So sometimes you might need a promo code deal to activate some deals, or you got times like of this recording, you got no promo code required. But yeah, this is just the way how to find promo code deals. So what we can do here, there's a link here. So if I click here, it says down below, using a link in the table above will automatically unlock the DraftKings bonus worth a bet $5. Get $200 in bonus bets plus 1 month of NFL plus premium offer for new users. So this is ways how to get these promo code deals as well.